रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
The U.S. State Department's Inspector General Steve Linick has become the latest senior official to be fired by U.S. President Donald Trump. Mr. Trump said Mr. Linick no longer had his full confidence and that he would be removed in 30 days. Mr. Linick had begun investigation Secretary of State Mike Pompeo for suspected abuse of office, report says. Democrats say Mr. Trump is retaliating against public servants who want to hold his administration to account. It is vital that I have the fullest confidence in the appointees serving as Inspector General. That is no longer the case with regard to this Inspector General, Mr. Trump is quoted as saying in a letter sent to late on Friday to House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, US media report. Not long after Mr. Linick's dismissal was announced, the chairman of the House Foreign Affairs Committee said Mr. Linick had reopened an investigation into Secretary of State Mike Pompeo. This firing is the outrageous act of a president trying to protect one of his most loyal supporters, the Secretary of State, from accountability. Elliot Engel, a Democrat, said in a statement, "I have learned that the Office of the Inspector General had opened an investigation into Secretary Pompeo. Mr. Linick firing amid such a probe strongly suggests that this is an unlawful act of retaliation." Mr. Engel did not provide any further details about the content of this investigation into Mr. Pompeo. Congressional aides speaking on condition of anonymity have been quoted in different media as saying that Mr. Linick was examining complaints that Mr. Pompeo may have improperly used staff and asked them to perform personal tasks. Mr. Linick, a former prosecutor, was appointed by Mr. Trump's predecessor, Barack Obama, to oversee spending and detect mismanagement at the State Department. Democrats have been reacting to the move. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said Mr. Linick was punished for honorably performing his duty to protect the Constitution and our national security. The president must cease his pattern of reprisal and retaliation against the public servants who are working to keep Americans safe, particularly during this time of global emergency, she added in a statement. Senator Chris Murphy, a Democrat from Connecticut, said the Senate Foreign Relations Committee needed to learn more about the dismissal. This is the latest in a series of dismissals of independent government watchdogs. Last month, Mr. Trump dismissed Michael Atkinson, the Inspector General of Intelligence Community. Mr. Atkinson first alerted Congress to a whistleblower complaint that led to Mr. Trump's impeachment trial.
आप देख रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन